So step 1, load your selected artwork by File, Place Embedded. Once you have roughly sized up your artwork, remember to take your time. Once content with its placement, go to Edit, Transform, Warp. And again, remember to take your time. The template I'm currently using is from Adobe Stock, however there are quite a few free ones out there. Should you want to find one for your own personal use, I advise doing a Creative Commons search, as that will provide you with options that are free to use. Now remember, any location that you're going to be placing your artwork in is going to have a light source, albeit a light bulb or ambient lighting. So to allow us to replicate this, we are going to create a clipping mask and apply a gradient filter. Set this to overlay and explore the opacity and feathering in properties, which you can open from Windows. And there we have it. We have a completed visual mock-up. Thank you, and remember, have a fabulous day.